Welcome to session 5. Here in this session, we are going to discuss about applications of Java program. And already in the previous sessions, we have discussed about the history of Java, why this Java language was developed by the James Gosling. The main aim behind the development of this Java language is to have one programming language that can be used to program any kind of electronic devices. The Java development intention was to program any electronic devices. For that purpose, Java was developed initially, and later on, the Java developers have added more and more features into the Java language to make it as a universal language. And in every version of Java, some of the most important features they have added and released the versions. Every year they have released one version of Java program, and every version of the Java program is an improvement over the previous one, and it is having the features that are required for the industry at that time. So today if you see Java, a number of versions are available in the Java. So all these have made the Java as a universal language. And using this Java today, a wide varieties of applications have been developed. And today there are many companies which are working on Java to develop small desktop applications to very complex distributed networking applications. And today Java is also available in three different flavors. So one is Java Standard Edition. So that is normally called J2SE, Java Standard Edition. And another one is J2EE, Java Enterprise Edition. And third one is J2ME, means Java Micro Edition. So these are the three different flavors that are available in Java. So J2SE, J2EE, J2ME. So J2ME is the initial Java. So that is Java Micro Edition. So which is used for program the electronic devices. And Java SE Standard Edition, it is used to develop individual desktop applications, means standalone applications, the applications which can run on one computer system. And J2EE, Java Enterprise Edition. So this Java Enterprise Edition is used to develop complex Java based applications like networking applications or applications that are running on thousands of computer systems which are networked. So such kind of applications will be developed using the Java. And today if you see, Java is used for developing varieties of applications. If you see here, I have listed some of the applications where Java can be used. The most important application is web-based applications. Today, you can see railway reservation software or banking applications. All these applications are web-based application. Means these applications are providing services to the customers of a bank, customers of railway users, so that online without going to the bank, by sitting at their home and online they can access the applications, banking applications, they can perform transactions, they can check balance, they can request for ATM cards, they can request for cancellation of account. So without visiting the bank, by sitting on their computer in their home, they can perform all these operations. Similarly, railway reservation software, it is also one of the popular web-based application that is developed using Java. So here, users to book railway tickets, they need not go to the railway station. So by accessing railway reservation software from their desktop, by sitting at their home, they can buy the tickets or they can reserve their tickets for their journey. So this is how web-based applications are being used. And then Android development applications. Android is nothing but a mobile phone. It is an electronic device. The software in this mobile phone is developed using Java. The main intention behind the development of Java is to program electronic devices. Mobile is a one kind of electronic device. The software required for this Android or mobile device is written using Java. So like this, a number of apps are also available on Android platform. So they are developed using Java. And just now I spoke about banking applications, and reservation applications, railway booking applications, or you can see TSRTC uh, online reservation system. All these applications are web-based applications. They are providing services to the user community. And similarly, enterprise applications means in order to manage an enterprise and the resources available in the enterprise means it is a corporate company. So there different varieties of resources are available. The resources may be human resources may be computer systems, uh, and so on. It may be a stationary resources, may be stationary. So all this will be managed by developing an cloud-based applications or standalone applications or network-based applications. And today you can see varieties of games are coming up, and children are enjoying with the game by playing the games on computer systems. And if you are comparing the games that are available today with the games available 10 years back or 15 years back, a lot of improvement have come into the gaming technology. So today we are having virtual games. Virtual games means like bike riding games, car racing games. So the users, by playing these games, they can feel that really they are driving a car, really they are riding a bike. So that feel, and they can feel that they are riding that car or bike in a city. Means all that virtual environment is created in the game application, so that the users, or you can say children who are playing with that games, they can feel that really they are driving a car, really they are riding a bike. And similarly, security based applications and certain applications like banking applications, enterprise applications, they need a lot of security, because this software should not allow unauthorized users to make use of the services provided by that software. So for that you require security mechanisms. And when even sometimes authorized people, when they are trying to access these services over the internet, there are hackers on the internet who are trying to steal the usernames and passwords when the authorized users are logging remotely onto their servers. So therefore security is required. Java is very strong in providing the security. All the communications that are taking place between the client system and the server system over the network will be encrypted. SSL 128-bit encryption, SSL 64-bit encryption. Like the different encryption technologies and protocols are adapted by the Java platform, so that all communication that are taking place between the client and server system will be encrypted, so that even hackers copy their data from the network, so they are not able to understand those messages. They are not able to see the username and password used by the client to log on to their servers. So like this, Java provides secured applications. And today big data is a booming technology now, and all big data related applications are today developed using Java. And in order to develop this big data based applications, Java is having separate packages, and you have to import those packages, and then you can work with those packages. And similarly, desktop based application. Desktop means individual, the applications which are running on a individual computer system, the standalone computer system. So that standalone computer system is not connected in the network. Simply it is performing operations by running on a single computer system. Especially this desktop based applications are used in stores for maintaining the stationery, or in a store what items, what stock is available and what stock is not available. So to maintain this inventory, so normally desktop based applications will be used. Distributed application means sometimes there is a need to execute a application parallelly on different computers, because speed of execution of that application is very very important. The application must complete its execution within a short span of time. So if that big application, if it is made to run on only one computer, it will take long time to complete its execution. So therefore that big application will be divided into many small applications, and all these applications, each application will be given to one computer, and all these computers are connected in a network, and one of the computer is made as master computer, and the master computer is taking care of how these small programs related to one big applications are running on different computers. Means a big application will be distributed among multiple computer system connected in the network, and all that applications are running parallelly. Since many computers are involved here, and a big application is divided into many small applications, and they are concurrently, parallelly they are executing on different systems, the execution of the big application will be completed within a short span of time and produces the required output. So this kind of applications are called distributed applications or parallel based applications. Parallelly the application is able to run on different systems. And the backend and server side programmings will be done by Java. So when you are working with the web technologies, you are coming to know about client side scripting and server side scripting. Means server side programming, how it is done. Server side programming is normally called backend programming, and then client side programming is called front end programming. So these server side programming, client side programming will be done by the Java. So these are some of the applications where Java is used today. There are many more other applications where Java is used to develop the programs or applications. Okay, so thank you.